game. I just found this interesting new for me game called Cooking Joy 2 because in the end of last year I showed you Cooking Joy 1. I played it from a long time, and now one friend told me, do you know Cooking Joy 2? I said, no, of course I will try it. I like to try new games. And I think this one is very addicting for what I'm seeing.
Hi.
First, wow, really wow. That I have to say. Wow. I am really impressed with the graphics of the gameplay. Tap here to unlock new levels. 8 new levels. You have collected 2 keys. Let's unlock the next 8 new levels. Okay. And now start.
Hi.
Wow. Wow. And we keep on receiving new things. That's what I like to see.
Hey.
Yes, hey.
Wow.
Wow. Yes, baby, wow. And look at the customers, they're so interesting. Look, I just love them.
Hi.
Hey. Hi.
Yes, combo +5. Wow, we have upgrades. You got a chance to upgrade your fryer for free. Tap to upgrade. Yes, thank you. And now the color or sausages or hot bun. The price of hot buns. They recommend me to upgrade the French fries. Yes, we sell them a lot. Yes, you're right. And then the column, we have to see the new look of the column. Okay. And then soda fountain. One more slot. Okay. Sausage roller. No, for now it's okay. It's okay. Wow, I have 4 fry. Oh no, I turned them on, all of them, and I don't have so many hands.
Wow. Hi.
Wow, she wants.
Hi. Hi.
fast as the wind.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. 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 Wow, so many. Hey, French fries.
Hi.
And now we have hot dog with salad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Chinese girl. So nice.
Hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey. And now let's upgrade again. Okay. And okay. And let's continue. Wow, look at this ketchup. Color, yes, but collect likes to win the level. Ah, yes, I have to make them happy. Like in Cooking Craze, we have to serve them quickly because we will lose this like little hand.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, lady, I'm coming.
Hi.
One more sauce, barbecue sauce, I suppose.
Hi.
Ah, yes.
Hey. Hey, hey.
Hi.
Hey. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey. Hello, Grandpa. Hey, hey.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey, hey.
And ready. I just love it. In every level, we received something new, which was for me so exciting and so addicting to play again and again. But look at the time, we played a what today, and this is the first day of the year. New year, new game. As I started, the same way I'm finishing this episode. And soon I will show you not only this food truck will go here at the luxury dining, and maybe after it at the fast food. What else do we have here? Oh, we can't go there still. But anyways, we have so many levels to play here, and I'm amazed of this game. So much fun. And tell me in the comments down below, do you like it? Do you want to see more levels from this game?
And for me, for now, it's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.